The Honda CD175 is a name that many motorcycle enthusiasts still remember with respect. The 2026 Honda CD175 concept has created excitement because it combines vintage styling with modern engineering. While Honda has not officially confirmed this model, many fans are hoping for a revival that keeps the timeless character of the original while introducing today's technology. Timeless retro design. If the 2026 Honda CD175 becomes reality, it could feature a round LED headlight, chrome mirrors, a sculpted fuel tank, a long comfortable seat, wire-spoke wheels, and polished metal finishes. The motorcycle would likely stay true to its classic roots while offering a cleaner and more premium appearance. Engine expectations. Many riders expect Honda to equip the motorcycle with a smooth and fuel-efficient four-stroke engine. It could deliver reliable performance for city commuting as well as relaxed highway rides. Honda's reputation for durability and low maintenance would remain one of its biggest strengths. Modern technology. A modern version of the CD175 could include LED lighting, a digital analog instrument cluster, ABS braking, fuel injection, USB charging, and improved suspension. These upgrades would make the motorcycle more practical without sacrificing its nostalgic appeal. Comfortable everyday riding. Comfort has always been an important part of the CD series. The 2026 model could feature an upright riding position, wide handlebars, a soft seat, and refined suspension to make daily commuting and weekend rides equally enjoyable. Fuel efficiency. Honda motorcycles are known for excellent fuel economy, and the 2026 Honda CD175 would likely continue that tradition. Riders could expect a balance of performance and efficiency, making it an affordable motorcycle to own and operate. Safety features. Safety would likely be improved with front disc brakes, dual-channel ABS on higher variants, brighter LED lighting, tubeless tires, and better chassis stability. These features would inspire confidence for both new and experienced riders. Who is it for? The 2026 Honda CD175 could appeal to classic motorcycle lovers, young riders entering the retro motorcycle segment, and experienced enthusiasts looking for a stylish and dependable everyday machine. Possible launch and pricing. At the time of this video, Honda has not officially announced the 2026 Honda CD175. If introduced, pricing and availability would depend on the market, but expectations are that it would compete with other modern retro motorcycles in the lightweight category. The return of the Honda CD175 would celebrate one of Honda's most iconic names while embracing modern technology and comfort. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or discovering the CD series for the first time, this motorcycle has the potential to become one of the most exciting retro-inspired releases. Stay connected with Acer Autos for the latest motorcycle news, updates, and future reviews. Disclaimer: this content discusses AI-generated concepts and publicly available information. The 2026 Honda CD175 has not been officially confirmed by Honda. Please refer to Honda's official announcements for verified specifications and launch details.